Imagine a wave over 3 times the height of the Eiffel Tower. Unfathomable, isn't it? Well, nature doesn't deal in the realm of imagination, but reality. In 1958, Lituya Bay, Alaska bore witness to this terrifying spectacle. A tsunami, triggered by an earthquake, surged to the dizzying height of 1,720 feet. That's over 3 football fields stacked end to end. This was no Hollywood movie, but a chilling display of nature's raw power. Remember, knowledge is power, and each quick, intriguing insight brings you one step closer to understanding the world around us. For more fascinating facts, don't forget to subscribe to Quick Intriguing Insights. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning.